So today we are trimming and combing through natural hair. So we have a handsome client who helps us understand natural hair better. Garen. And Garen has his reasons why he wants us to trim his hair. So what's your reason then, Garen?
Because I think it's been getting a bit too long throughout the years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And because you're starting a new school, so you just want your hair to look a lot more controllable?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so that's why we're doing this. The hair is a bit too long for him. He just wants it to be a good length that he can feel good with. I mean, he also hates the fact that people think because he has long hair, he's a girl. And I tell him that's no big deal at all. People will say that if they find that you have long hair anyway. And because he loves football, there are lots of footballers with lots of long hair. So he is not the only one who's got long hair. But anyway, we appreciate the fact that he has really long hair. And he's been lucky. The sisters don't like it because they wish they had hair as long as he does. And they don't. But anyway, so today we're going to be trimming this hair and combing it through.